Welcome back to Tricks Ground. Understanding cybersecurity in today's world. Today we are diving into a topic that affects us all, cybersecurity. In this digital age where everything is connected, understanding cybersecurity has been crucial than before. What is cybersecurity? So what exactly is cybersecurity? Simply put, it's the practice of protecting systems, networks and programs from digital attacks. These attacks are aimed at accessing, altering or destroying sensitive information. This comes in various forms: phishing, malware, ransomware and more. Why is cybersecurity important? Now you might wonder, why does cybersecurity matter? Well, the answer is simple: our entire digital world relies on it. From personal data to financial transactions, everything we do online is vulnerable. These attacks can cause substantial financial losses, compromise personal information, and even disrupt critical infrastructures. Tips for better cybersecurity. Let's talk about some actionable tips to enhance your cybersecurity. Strong passwords. Always use complex passwords and enable two-factor authentication whenever possible. Regular updates. Keep your software, antivirus and operating system updated. These updates often include patches for known vulnerabilities. Educate yourself. Stay informed about common cyber threats. Awareness is your first line of defense. Backup data also. You have a copy to restore. Cybersecurity for business and individuals. Cybersecurity isn't just for big corporations, it's crucial for individuals too. Business should invest in robust security protocols, employee training, and incident response plans. Conclusion. In conclusion, understanding cybersecurity is not an option, it's a necessity in our interconnected world. By taking proactive steps and staying vigilant, we can protect ourselves from digital footprint. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable insights. Stay safe and secure online.